Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is about removing the online scam that comes from the website Hugeer.club. Hugeer.club is a deceptive site that may attack Google Chrome and other browsers. The website says, security alert, you have visited illegal infected website. You have visited unsafe site with illegal content. Your PC is at risk of being infected by viruses. The point is that all these pop-ups are absolutely faulty. They claim to be related to some decent security program, but they are not. They are the typical online scam. The real purpose of all these pop-ups by Hugeer.club is to force people into clicking on this special allow button, to make them subscribed to even more intrusive pop-ups and scary messages. And another purpose of these pop-ups is to actually make you download and install some potentially unwanted software. So please be very careful. Don't ever interact with these faulty messages. Don't trust them and don't install anything that they suggest. We recommend you not to click on the allow button, but if it was clicked, you should fix your browser. Access the menu, go to settings, select security and privacy, then go to site settings, go down to permissions and choose notifications. Pay attention to the websites that are allowed to send notifications. When you find this Hugeer.club, you need to remove it from the list, and don't hesitate to remove other junk sites from this list too. Finally, we recommend researching your system with the help of reliable antivirus software such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on this official website, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. Install the program and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.